What's up guys? This is Ron. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of the iPhone 12 and we're also going to do an unboxing of the Apple iWatch. I recently purchased these two devices from Apple and a couple of days ago it arrived. So now we're going to do an unboxing. So let's get into it. So this package arrived on the mail the other day and now we're going to unbox it. So the first thing that we need to do is open this box, and I'm using a multi-tool to cut the tape. And now here's the package. The package is a iPhone iWatch and it comes with the packaging list and the Apple iWatch and a SIM card. I don't know why there is a SIM card here, but it arrived with the mail or with the box. So here's the Apple iWatch. The packaging is actually very premium, and this is one of the things that I like with Apple. They actually put a lot of effort in the design of the packaging so that they can actually attract the upper class of the market. Time to remove the protective plastic sheet. So I ordered the Apple iWatch Series 6 with blue aluminum case, and it's in deep navy sports band color. This Apple iWatch is actually a 44mm watch. I ordered the biggest size. So to open the box, just need to flip this easy open carton flap. And afterwards, just need to unfold the carton packaging, and the Apple iWatch and the band is there. So it comes with two boxes, one for the iWatch and the other box is for the wristwatch. So the wristwatch is in navy blue color, and the other box is the Apple iWatch and the charger itself. So let's open up these two boxes. So I'm opening up this first box, which is the iWatch. So the box is a little bit tight and it's very tricky to open, so I need to put a little bit of effort so that I can open it. So once open, it contains the Apple iWatch on the right and product information here and some manuals. So there's the manual for the Apple iWatch and the product information. Let's put this aside first and let's look at the other content of the box. So this is now the Apple Watch charger. I'll set it aside. And this one is the iWatch. It's very tiny. It's 44mm and it has a carton protective cover. And again, pulling out the iWatch on that protective cover is a little bit tricky, and you need to put a little bit of effort so that you can actually take it out from that protective carton sheet. So I'm putting it back and try to pull it out again, see whether the protective cover would actually loosen a little bit. Afterwards, I'm just setting it aside, and I'm now going to the other box that contains the wristband. So opening this box, you need to remove this adhesive tape on the other side, on one side of the box. And again, it's a little bit tricky because the adhesive is very sticky. However, I found out that there's an easy way to open up this sticky adhesive by just pulling out the adhesive, and it will just rip off and it will open up. The carton box has the manual and some product information as well, and it's actually enclosed with this carton. So you can see here the setup guide on how to install the wristwatch to the iWatch, and in the middle of the box or inside the box is the wristband that needs to be attached in the Apple iWatch. So I just need to take it out from the container. So to take it out, I just need to pull out the wristband like this and do the same thing on the other wristband. The wristband actually comes in two sizes. One is the small size for smaller wrist, and the other one is a longer or larger size for people that has a larger wrist. So here I'm just inspecting the Apple iWatch and trying to figure out how to insert the wrist. So to insert the wristband into the iWatch, you just need to slide the tip of the wristband into the opening on the iWatch and just slide it through. And once it's there, it automatically locks in place. Now time to do the other side. So similar process, just need to slide the tip of the iWatch wristband to the Apple iWatch. So after that, after installing, I'm just going to try it, making sure that I installed the correct size of wristband. I have a smaller wrist, so I installed the small size wristband, and there you go. That's the Apple iWatch, and it really looks nice on my wrist. And that's it for this Apple iWatch. I actually like it, but I need to set it up and pair it with the phone. So now let's open the iPhone 12. So here's the other box. Arrived also the other day, and now we need to open it. This box contains the iPhone 12. So after removing it from the box, here it is. So I just need to remove this plastic sheet cover. The packaging is actually quite thinner compared to the previous iPhone models. There you go. I ordered the blue as well, so it really looks nice. So just need to take it out and see it for my eyes and flip it around. I'll just set this aside for the moment and look at the other content. So we have the charging cable and some Apple product. There is the sticker, product information, and the SIM removal tool. So you don't have the power adapter anymore. Apple says that they're actually conserving the environment. So since everybody owes a power adapter, they're not going to ship any more of those power adapter into the packaging. It's actually reducing the cost also for them. So I'm just setting up everything. So here's the entire content of the box, and I'm just laying it out on the table. So here's the entire content of that box, and now time to set it up and power on the iPhone 12. So this iPhone 12 looks really nice, and I really like the boxy feel of this phone, and it feels really light compared to the previous iPhone model and compared to the current phone that I am using. So the only reason that I wanted to upgrade into this iPhone 12 is I wanted to capture or film video in a low light condition, because my current phone doesn't really provide me with the quality that I needed. And I'm using also the Canon M50, but it's actually really bulky and heavy, and it's really difficult to take the camera whenever I'm going out during night as well. So I'm hoping that this iPhone 12 would provide better quality image during low light condition. And besides, this is the only reason, or the primary reason, why I wanted to upgrade into this new iPhone model. If not, I wouldn't be upgrading into it, because it's a little bit pricier. So I'm just setting it up, and afterwards we need to test the video quality during low light condition. So let's get into that and test this new iPhone 12 video capability with HDR and 4K video capability. Let's get into it. Hey, I'm at the beach relaxing here at Goldcoast. So here's it during the evening. Look at that, behind me is Goldcoast, Surfer's Paradise. So I'm here now in Gold Coast and testing out this new camera during low light condition, and I quite like it compared to the other phone that I have, and compared also to the Canon N50. This phone actually feels like there is a stabilization into the camera and doesn't really feel shaky, especially when I'm walking. The other camera that I have, the M50, and the phone that I have previously, which is the Huawei Mate Pro, every time you step, you would see or you would notice on the video that it's actually shaking, and you would feel the motion of my steps into the camera as it translates the vibration into the phone. So I really like this video quality. So during low light condition and during the evening, if I need to film something at night, I will be definitely using this phone. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of the new video, and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.